How to disable startup programs in Windows 11. Method 1. Using Settings app. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Go to the Apps in the left-hand menu. Then click on Startup. In Sort by Filter section, select Status. You'll see a list of apps with toggle switches. Simply turn off the toggle for any app you don't want to start with Windows. Method 2. Using Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Startup Apps tab. You'll see a list of programs that start with Windows. To disable a program, right-click on it and then click on Disable. And that's how you can disable startup programs in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.